innovation is risky. You're taking a calculated risk that you may be going down a path that people won't follow.
We're building the best bike in the world. We're writing our own script. We benchmark other competitors, but we leave it at that. It's a benchmark. We're going to do our own thing.
What we were hoping to achieve with the Challenger was to develop something that had high performance, something that was super comfortable, and something that had a styling flair that was uniquely its own but still American.
The Challenger rider is someone who wants an iconic motorcycle, iconic American brand, who especially appreciates the bold style of Indian, and then the modern performance to back it up.
I would see them out, on competitor bikes, a lot of European touring stuff, and it didn't quite feel like them. They wanted an American bike, they didn't have something that performed the way that they wanted it to at the time, so that's where we came in.
As you talk to a sport bike rider, they can start to recognize the pinstripe on the wheel, the Brembo, the inverted forks.
The technology set that comes on the bike with ride command, with the adjustable rear suspension, wind management, heat management, ergonomic setup.
The rider for a Challenger is somebody who's going to really enjoy putting on miles and comfort with a little bit of a mean streak.
If I were to describe the Challenger customer, I would say that person's me. I like going fast. I like corners. I like going for long trips. I like going for short trips with friends. Yeah, it's a customer that has high expectations. It's a customer that admires technology, and it's a customer that wants a bike to perform.
Challenger is true to the Indian heritage by embodying the boldness of American design, the pioneering spirit, and the drive for performance in its DNA.
Challenger really delivers this optimum mix of capability, comfort, style, and performance that really nothing else offers.
If you combine what the customer's looking for and the team we had to work on it, you're going to come up with something great. That's what we did.